Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 ice cream maker 2022 available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker. Superior function. The Cuisinart Professional Quality Soft Serve, Yogurt, Sorbet, Sherbet, and Ice Cream Maker is fully automatic with double insulated freezer bowl and produces 1/2 quarts of ice cream in just 20 minutes, no chemicals, salt, or ice required. Mix in your favorite ingredients. With 3 condiment containers, you can add your favorite mix-ins into your soft serve ice cream, as it's dispensed. The front condiment container with a curved edge dispenses small mix-ins such as sprinkles. 2 rectangular condiment containers dispense larger mix-ins such as mini M&Ms or mini chocolate morsels. Easy to use? Simply pull out 1, 2, or 3 of the levers to add the mix-ins of your choice. Then pull down the handle to dispense the soft serve ice cream directly into cones or bowls with an ice cream swirl like an authentic soft serve machine. Must-have features: on/off power dial. Cone holder conveniently holds a stack of extra ice cream cones. Can hold both flat and pointed bottom cones. Removable drip tray can be removed for easy cleaning. Dot in the center of the tray indicates where to place the ice cream cone. Number 4. Elite Gourmet Ice Cream Maker. 6-quart capacity. Freeze up to 6 quarts of cold and creamy ice cream, frozen yogurt, or sorbet. Perfect for party time, snack time, barbecues, picnics, and big events, enough to feed everyone. Easy 3-step process. 1. Mix your favorite ingredients and place in canister. 2. Assemble the unit and add ice plus rock salt. 3. Plug in and turn on. Quick and easy to use. The ice cream and dessert maker is simple to use. Simply add the ingredient mixture into the machine. Use the automatic motor or manual hand crank, and you'll have a tasty dessert in a short time, just like the old-fashioned way. Whisper quiet operation. The electric motor conveniently locks onto the bucket, making sure all parts are interlocked for safe and quiet operation. Cleanup is easy. The aluminum canister allows for easy wiping away of messes. Cleanup afterwards is a cinch. Easily store leftover ice cream in your freezer. Plus included is a see-through lid that fits right on top of the ice cream canister. ETL approved 50 watts/120 for home kitchen use. Includes electric motor, wooden bucket with handle, stabilizing ring, freezing canister with indent, canister lid and cap, dasher paddle, and bonus die-cast hand crank. Number 3. Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker. Superior function. Create 2 quarts of delicious frozen treats in just 20 minutes with an improved paddle and faster processing time. Capacity. Makes 2 quarts of your favorite ice cream, frozen yogurt, gelato, or sorbet. Must-have features: LCD screen, 3 settings with multiple speeds, and a countdown timer with auto shutoff. Included: ingredient spout with integrated measuring cup for easy pour with less spill. Also, a recipe book with lots of options. The unique paddle makes fast work of processing. The sleek brushed metal housing makes it look as good as the treats it creates for your family and friends. Number 2. Ninja Ice Cream Maker. From healthy to indulgent. Easily enjoy a wide array of frozen treats like decadent gelato, light ice cream, dairy-free, gluten-free, and much more. The Ninja Creamy makes delicious treats that fit your lifestyle. Compact for your countertop. The Creamy is compact in size, allowing for seamless storage and fitting easily on your countertop. Fun for all ages. Easy to use functionality allows for the whole family to enjoy making frozen treats together. 7 versatile programs. One-touch programs allow for the perfect combination of speed, pressure, and time to completely shave through your frozen pint. Creamify technology. Unlike traditional ice cream makers, Ninja's innovative creamerizer system finely shaves and churns ice particles into creamy frozen treats in minutes. Respin functionality. Select the respin function if, after processing, you want your processed treat softer and creamier. Number 1. Winner Ice Cream Maker. LCD timer control. Easily change mode operation time duration as needed. Motor protection function. Prevents damage to the motor once the mixture freezes solid. Built-in powerful compressor. Allows for continuous use without the inconvenience of having to pre-freeze the mixing bowl. Self-contained frozen dessert maker that does not require pre-freezing. Makes ice cream, frozen yogurt, sorbet. Stainless steel housing. Reliable built-in audible timer. BPA-free stainless steel removable mixing bowl and churn blade for easy storage and effortless cleaning. LCD timer control. Motor protection function that shuts off to prevent damage if the mixture freezes solid. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link.